In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Add to Cart button in Squarespace. We're going to walk through the built-in settings that let you change how the cart experience appears and also adjust the cart icon styling on your site. This is a simple way to make your store feel more polished and better aligned with your brand without adding custom code. To begin, go to your Squarespace dashboard and look to the bottom left corner. Click the settings icon to open your site settings. This is where Squarespace keeps the main configuration options for your website, including commerce and cart behavior. Once you're in settings, click on Selling. This section contains the options related to products, checkout, and how customers interact with your store. From there, choose Cart to open the cart-specific settings. Inside the cart settings, look for the cart view and display area. Here, you'll see different display options, including Add to Cart confirmation and button and cart confirmation. Choose the option that works best for the shopping experience you want to create. If you want a cleaner or more direct flow, this setting can make a noticeable difference in how customers respond after adding an item to their cart. Next, find the option labeled Skip Cart Page and turn it on. Enabling this means customers can move more quickly through the buying process instead of stopping on the cart page first. This can be especially useful if you want a faster checkout experience and fewer steps between product selection and purchase. After that, close the settings panel. With the cart behavior updated, the next part is to adjust how the cart icon looks on your live site. Click Website to return to the front-end editing area of your Squarespace site. Then click Edit so you can make visual changes to the site layout and design elements. Now, locate the cart icon in your site header or navigation area. Click the cart icon and then click the edit icon that appears. This opens the editing options for that cart element. From there, click Style. In this section, you can choose a different cart icon if you'd like. This is a small change, but it can help your storefront feel more customized and visually consistent with the rest of your design. If you're updating the icon, try to pick one that matches your site's overall style, whether that's minimal, modern, or more classic. Once you've made your selection, your add to cart and cart display experience will be better tailored to your site. That's all it takes to customize the add to cart button experience in Squarespace.